are you running?
I never get money. If I get, I will give you. No, I come back for you. Make I go bank first. If I go bank, I will come back. If you no give me that money, I will show you pepper. I beg you. I will come back for you. Make I go bank first.
This guy will go bank. Make I follow.
Action.
Hey, yo, Mr. Fresh Wagwan.
Boy King, you are the man king. Boy King, I say you are the high king. Boy King, now you be the new king.
Guy, I will go and battle today. Shape na him. He drag me money. Let me get money with this way.
You be mumu.
Apostle, we hear of this.
Yes. Should be now you. I think if I go back finish, I
Calm down. Calm down. How much are you doing? I want to hear the para.
Time my money come, you know.
Should be now 1,000.
Time my money come now, it's your problem, sir.
Take.
You know you can be prosecuted for that.
See, I will deal with you for the
You owe me money since 2 months. They tell me
You never see anything.
You owe me 1,000 since 2 months.
Come on, I have money more than you. You guys, come on, get out.
Come on, get out for you. See this guy now, because he not get 1,000, he say he go come run me street. He get locked now. Say I will be that. What's happening?
I just watch what the happen since you. This one your hand guy. Money where this guy is paying, that money for your pocket, for ground.
Jesus is Lord.
Wait, 2,000. Wait.
You think say they wide?
Jesus, you are a mumu man. Just scatter my life.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?